So that wraps up our little tour of this town, Eureka Springs, but now I'm heading back to Missouri to find a camp spot for the night. It was pretty late at night until I stopped driving and I found this place on the maps called Campers Point. It was right next to what seemed to be a very pretty river, so I just had to check it out and see if I could find somewhere to camp out for the night. So here it is. There's just all kinds of winding dirt roads here. It was really awesome, but also kind of hard to choose a spot with so many good ones, but I eventually did settle on one right on the water here. The only thing about it is it was really rocky and not very flat, so I kind of had to do some scrambling last night to get my truck level, but all in all it was a really good spot for the night, and it offered a great view in the morning. Might do a little more exploring here today, but planning on packing up, hitting the road, and heading west soon, so... Yeah, I ended up eating breakfast in my Jetboil, but it got really windy, so I packed up and I decided I'll give you guys a little tour of the area, these roads, as I make my way out of here. For the most part, these roads were smooth sailing, kind of fun, but very pretty because they go along this little river here, but some of them were actually really treacherous and just too narrow for me to even get into, probably mostly for ATVs and side-by-sides, but there were plenty of camp spots that were easily accessible, so it was a really cool place to see. Here's one spot right on the left here. It's really flat too, kind of wish I saw this last night. So right here is actually where I entered in last night, but if I take a left down to the water, there's actually even more roads you can explore. I really love how they keep this campsite really raw and natural. You just explore, not many rules it seems like, so I just kept following the roads where they took me. Well, would you look at that? There's a blue heron right under that tree there. There it goes, flying off. I think that was all the camp spots. Now I just have to figure a way out of here. And I'm out. I ended up driving back roads all day, heading a little west through Missouri, and found a really nice area to sleep the night surrounded by wildflowers and a little pretty stream. I really liked this area. Spring was finally coming out and it was just a really pretty place to be. I wanted to find a spot where I could stay for a while, so I ended up exploring all of the next day too into the night.